Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to select and delete multiple photos on your Android, or let's say bulk delete photos on your Android device, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process for that, which is pretty quick and easy. So let's get started. Open up the gallery application for that, or even the Google Photos application, and once you access it up, all you gotta do is basically select up the first photo or multiple photos. So you can hold it up, and once you hold it up, just hold one photo until a check mark appears, and all you gotta do is select multiple photos now. So you can select by just select it, or you can select the option of select all as well by tapping on the very top, and like that you should be selecting all of those. And once it is selected, you just need to look out for the trash can icon in your screen. So it is usually in the bottom or the top of the screen. So find it up and tap on it. After you tap on it, you just need to confirm it up by tapping on this option called Move to Recycle Bin. And once you do so, you can just go over. Let me just show you and view it up on your menu. So look out for the menu option. And once you find it up, select the option of Recycle Bin here. And once you select it, all you gotta do is hold all of those and look out for the delete all option and confirm it up, and the photos will be permanently deleted, and that is it. So if you'd like to select and delete multiple photos on your Android device as well, it is pretty easy this way. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.